Hi everyone, I'm Nilüfer from Istanbul. Today I'm going to solve 2014 AP Calculus AB Frq response question 1. Okay, in this question we have an information. It says that grass clippings are placed in a bin where they decompose. For 0 to 30, the amount of grass clippings remaining in the bin is modeled by a function, a of t, where a of t is measured in pounds and t is measured in days. Then, in part A, it says that find the average rate of change of a of t over the interval 0 to 30. And we will indicate the units of measure. Okay, what is average rate of change? Average rate of change means the change in a of t over the change in t. Then it can be written as average rate of change equals to a of 30 minus a of 0 over 30 minus 0. Okay, this is a graphic calculator question. This is why we are going to use graphic calculator. My calculator is TI-84 and I will calculate a of 30 and a of 0 using TI-84. Okay, first we should write function. It will be 6.6768 and 7 times, in parentheses, 0.93 and 1 to the power of 30. Another parenthesis. I wrote a of 30 now, minus, okay, a of 0 will be 6.68 and 7 because 0.93 and 1 to the power of 0 will be 1. This is why we can directly write 6.68 and 7. Enter. Okay, this will be minus 5.904 and 0 over, we will divide by 30 because 30 minus 0. Then result is minus 0, 1, 9 and 7 because we can round off. After 9 we have 8 and this is why we can round off to 7. And we should write the units. Units will be pound per day. This is why correct answer is minus 0.197 pounds per day. Part B. Find the value of A prime 15. Using correct units, interpret the meaning of the value in the context of the problem. Okay, what is A prime 15? A prime 15 is derivative of a of t at t equals 15. It means that we are going to calculate this derivative using ti. Okay, first I open TI-84 and I'm going to write derivative using math and 8 x. After that I'm going to write function. Function is 6.68 and 7 times 0.93 and 1 to the power of x at x equals 15. Okay, result is minus 0, 1, 6, 3 and 5. Okay, we are going to use 3 significant figures. After 3 we have 5, then it means that we can round off. If we round off, result is minus 0, 1, 6 and 4. And please write the unit, correct unit, pound per day. But doesn't end. We need to interpret the results. Okay, what is the result says? The amount of grass clippings in a bin is decreasing. Why decreasing? Because the rate is negative, result is negative, then it's decreasing at a rate of 0, 1, 6, and 4 pounds per day at a time at time t equals 15 days. Okay, now we concluded the part B. Okay, part C. Find time t for which the amount of grass clippings in the bin is equal to the average amount of grass clippings in the bin over the interval 0 to 30. Okay, first we are going to calculate average amount of grass clippings in the bin. Average amount of grass clippings in the bin can be found by mean value theorem for integral. Mean value theorem for integral says that average amount of grass clippings in the bin equals to 1 over 30, because our interval is 0 to 30, and we are going to set up an integral 0 to 30 a of t dt. Okay, we need to evaluate this integral using calculator. Now, Math 9, set up the integral. A of t is 6.68 and 7 times 0.93 and 1 to the power of x dx. Okay, this is the integral result, but we should divide by 30 because our interval is 0 to 30. Divide by 30. It is 2.756351 0 and 8. Okay, we found average amount of grass clippings in the bin, but we should find time t when amount of grass clippings equals to the average amount of grass clippings in the bin. It means that A of t now 2.756351 and 8 equals to 6.687093 and 1 to the power of t. We should evaluate this equation in order to find t. This is why we will divide by 6.68 and 7. Okay. Enter divide by 6.68 and 7. Now this will be 0.93 and 1 to the power of t. Now we should convert to the logarithm because it is exponential equation. This is why we will convert to the logarithm. T equals logarithm base 0.93 and 1 and 0.411639764 and 9. Okay. Math log base alpha and a bases 0.93 and 1, 0.411639764 and 9. It will be 12.4, 1 and 5. Why 5? Because after 4 we have 7, then it means that we can round off to 5. It will be days. T is 12.41 and 5 days. Okay, last part D. For T is greater than 30, L of t, the linear approximation to A at t equals 30. This is important. We are going to create a linear approximation for t equals 30, is a better model for the amount of grass clippings remaining in the bin. Use L of t to predict the time at which there will be 0.5 pound of grass clippings remaining in the bin, and show the work leads to your answer. Always. Okay, what is the linear approximation? L of t equals A of 30 plus A prime 30, it means derivative of 30, times t minus 30, because time is changing between 30 and t. Now it says that find the t, L of t equals 0.5. This is why we are going to write 0.5 for L of t, and after that we are going to find A of 30 and A prime 30. First found A of 30. Okay. In order to get A of 30, write the function 6.6, 8 and 7 times 0.93 and 1 to the power of 30. Enter. It will be 0.7829, I think that's enough, plus, and now find the derivative of 30, math 8x. Again write the function 6, 8 and 7 times 0.93 and 1 to the power of x at x equals 30. And result is, I can write it, minus 0.0559 and 7 times t minus 30. Okay, we are going to find t. We can find t by solving the equation. It means that we will subtract this value from 0.5. Okay, I would like to enter this value, not now, 0.5 minus, now enter. Okay, subtraction result is minus 0.2829 and 3 equals minus 0.0559 and 7 times t minus 30. Now we will divide by this value, divide by, now I can copy this value. Okay, last step, 50544 equals t minus 30. If we add 30 to the result, we can find the value of t. Value of t is 35.054 days. Okay, we found the result. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching.